Upgrading to ESD vinyl flooring in electrical factories is a strategic choice that promotes safety, efficiency, and productivity. ESD vinyl flooring offers a quick and effective way to upgrade your facility, providing multiple benefits. Rapid installation. Antistaic flooring tiles are easy to install, often requiring minimal downtime. This allows for quick upgrades without disrupting daily operations. Static control. ESD PVC tiles dissipate static electricity and protect sensitive electrical components from damage, crucial in manufacturing environments. Durability. Static tiles are tough and resilient, ensuring longevity and reducing replacement costs. Maintenance-free care. With its smooth surface, ESD control flooring is easy to clean, requiring little maintenance. Comfort and safety. ESD PVC tiles provide a comfortable surface for workers, while their slip-resistant properties enhance workplace safety. Cost-effective solution. Compared to other flooring options, ESD Antistatic flooring offers a cost-effective solution that balances quality and budget considerations.